Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Marcus coming to you. This is course 1 from CPM, problem 592 from the 6th grade textbook. This one is about positive and negative numbers. Can you draw them on a number line, and can you represent them where they would go? So this problem gives you 2.5 or 2.5 or 2 5/10, 1/2, -2, 5/10, or half, -1.5, and -3/4. So I'm just going to start by drawing a number line. I'm going to put arrows on the end. Wow, that's crooked. All right, so nice number line. I'm going to put 0. Sounds good, 0 in the middle. I've got negative numbers and positive numbers. So negatives over here on the left of the number line, positives on the right. I'm going to look at my largest positive number and see that it's 2.5. So I'm just going to choose to make my number line go to 3. I could have had it end at 2.5. That's fine, just a personal choice. And I'm going to look at the lowest. The smallest number that I have is -2. So I'm also going to put -3 here as well, just to kind of balance it out. I want to have it equidistant. If I did put -2, I'd put it somewhere there. So what should I count by? Well, I probably need, I need -2, and so it would make sense to have numbers 1, 2, and 3, so dividing it into 3 equal parts. So 1, 2, and 3, and I should do the same thing here, dividing it into 3 equal parts. So that'd be -1, -2, and 3. You might also notice that I have a lot of halves, right? That this is 2.5. If I want to write it like that, I could write this as 1/2. If you want to think of it as fractions, or you could kind of think of these as decimals, and where should those go? But this looks good to me. So the first thing is, where is 2.5? Well, 2.5 should be right in between 2 and 3. So I'm going to put a dot. Let's do red. So I'll put a dot right in between there and say that that is where 2.5 goes. Where should half be? Well, it's less than 1 whole, right? It's actually a half. So half, 1/2 is right there, right in between 0 and 1. -2, well, we already have it. -2 is right here. That's C. D, where is half? Well, shoot, D already is there. Someone point is already there, right? That these are equivalent representations of 1/2. 5/10. 5/10 is equivalent to 1/2. -1.5. So here's -1. So the question is it right here or is it right here? Well, it's more than -1. It's more negative. It's -1 and a half. So -1 and a half is right there. So that would be E. And then F is -3/4. So okay, so it's in between 0 and -1. So it's more negative than 0, but not quite -1. Here's where half would be. So here is -1/2. And if I want fourths, well, let's break it up into 4 equal parts. So here's 0. Here is -1/4. Here's -2/4, or -1/2. And here's -3/4. This would be -4/4, or -1. So -3/4 would be right there for F. All right, thanks. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you would like me to do a specific problem from CPM textbooks, course 1 or course 2, so 6th grade or 7th grade. So comment with a problem number and what course, and I'll make a video for you. Thanks.